In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to make this butterfly ring. Someone requested it in one of my other videos. So the materials that you'll need are some elastic stretch cord and some 2mm seed beads, which are the same ones that I used for my flower rings. It is the same kit that I used last time, so I'll have it linked down below. And then I also use these 4mm round beads, and I'll also have a link to these ones in the description. So I'm gonna start off by cutting a piece of stretch cord to a bit longer than how big the ring would be, so about this much. I'm gonna start off by putting this one seed bead on the string, and then once I have that there, I fold my string in half like so, and then I put 2 more seed beads through both of the strings because we're going to be making the body of the butterfly. So for this you would also need seed beads that have bigger holes so that you would be able to fit both strings through easily, like so. So I'm gonna put 2. So this is what it looks like. The first seed bead is the one that we just put through the string normally, and then these 2 we put both sides of the string into them. And now to make each antenna of the butterfly, I'm going to put 2 seed beads on each string. This is what it looks like so far. This is going to be the body and the antennas of the butterfly. After that, I'm going to put 2 beads that are going to be the color of the wings of the butterfly, 2 of them on each string, just like what we did with the seed beads. So I'm going to be making a pink one. And then the same on the other side. This is what it looks like so far. The 3 seed beads for the body, 2 on each string for the antenna, and 2 round beads for the butterfly wings. Now I'm going to take the string from one side, right here, and loop it through the first seed bead that we had put on the string. This is what it looks like so far. I just put one of the string into the first bead, which is the first bead that we put on the string. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side where I put the string through that bottom first bead. Sometimes this part is hard, so I would have to put this string through the needle. I use a little piece of thread and tie it around the stretch cord so it's easier to get the stretch cord through the needle. So I got this stretch cord through the needle so it will be easier for me to string this side into the first bead that we put on the string, and I'm just gonna put my needle through that. This is what it looks like. Put this string through this bottom round bead, and then the same on this side. From here, you just put as many beads as you need on each string to make a ring that will fit around your finger.